Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to comment photos on TikTok on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Select any random video and tap on the comment icon to open the comment section. Currently, TikTok does not support posting static photos directly as a comment. When you tap comment, there is no option to add a photo or video immediately. However, there is a workaround. You can reply to someone else's comment with a video or a photo. To do this, choose any comment under the video and tap Reply. Then, on the reply screen, look at the left side of the text field. You will see a video camera icon. Tap that. Once tapped, you will get two options. You can record a video reply, or by tapping the icon in the lower right corner, select a photo from your gallery. This allows you to comment using a photo, but only as a reply to another comment, not directly under the video itself. Keep in mind, this feature is still rolling out in some regions and may not be available for everyone. It started in Egypt and is gradually expanding. So that's basically how you can comment photos on TikTok on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.